test, a couple different suppressors. The base rifle is a 6.5 Creedmoor. We'll be shooting Hornady 6.5 Creedmoor 120 grain AMAXs. It's a 22-inch barrel. We're going to shoot 3 rounds without and 3 rounds with each suppressor. First suppressor is going to be a Thunder Beast 30P-1 direct thread. Alright, next suppressor is going to be a titanium YHM Phantom 30 cal. It's going to be a quick attach with the flash hider. Alright, next suppressor is going to be a AAC 762 SDN-6. This one has been well loved with the muzzle brake. Alright, next up is a Silencerco Specwar 762 quick attach with a flash hider. Next up is a Surefire SOCOM762-RC with a muzzle brake. Alright, the next suppressor up is the long-awaited Silencerco Harvester. It's got the integral brake on it, direct thread. Threads can be replaced to whichever thread pattern.